You see the title. J Park McNasty. That's McNasty, like literally the McDonald's McNasty. What are we doing? What are we doing there? Oh my god. Open the OnlyFans. Is there gonna be like a OnlyFans version? I don't know. I guess I'll check it out for y'all, but it's finally released. Let's get into this. Let's go. And before that, check out my Patreon. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. All right, we here now. J Park McNasty. Let's check it out. 4K. Damn.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, 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 hey. What them tomatoes look like booties? That was on purpose. Dang, you got ripped, huh? You always been ripped though. Damn, but more. Oh. Hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Wait, you ain't looking for a lady? Like you trying to look for a freak instead? Oh, okay. Damn. Is that for real? Damn, he cut that meat. Hold up. You had me at the meats being slapped together, my guy. Did you actually pull this off? The whole knife thing? No shot. That's edited. Has to be, but you know, I believe you. Ooh, okay. Hey. You had some chickens McTwerking? You had some McChickens McTwerking. Hold up. And they juicy. You know, they got the, you know, they put hormones in them bit, you know. Hey, hey. Not the criminal like outfits. The prison outfits. Now that's a hot ride free. I looking for freak McNasty. Okay, I did not have to. This is not for me. This is for y'all that want this. Okay. That just triggered a weird ass memory for me, bro. Like, no, like, it's. Listen, no. Pause though. Nah, I remember I had this friend that used to just like suck the Cheeto cheddar only. That's it. Just to get the cheese out, and then he would put his wet, soggy, non-cheddar Cheetos in a napkin in front of me, and I'm like, why would this don't make sense? Anyways, you know, I'm not here to judge. I looking for freak McNasty. Full course macho castle on the mop bag. More than hustle in the church they aren't badging. More than bombing I looking for. Okay. Hey. 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 Oh, my boy. Yo, freak McNasty, I guess. This looks like a McDonald's Burger King commercial. We need to sponsor his ass, I guess. Damn, that chicken getting drenched. Ooh. The editing in this is crazy, though. Hey! I think I know that answer. Oh. Hey, shout out. Woo. Hey, hey, hey. I want that long neck like a bro. Them gummies? Damn. Bro, these chickens and gummies got more ass than the Momme video. Oh, this man with the hair. Oh, you put the egg on it. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Get it. Get okay. Hey. Okay. Damn, these shots are actually kind of fire. Actually, hold up. Okay, now we're back at this. Damn it. Hey man, you get in there. Damn, he getting in there. God damn. That burger look good though. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 get it. Not him sliding out from the bud. That's kind of crazy. These shots right here are cool too. Bro, some hella production to this, bro. Damn.
That's nasty.
That's a big ass burger, bro. I do look good though. Like J Park. This is different, but at the same time, this is also J Park we're talking about. Like it's different, like the whole like promotion, like with the whole OnlyFans. And I'm wondering like if he's gonna do something different. Like, is there a different version on OnlyFans? I mean, the song itself, like. Before I continue, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out my Patreon as well. But the song itself definitely is a twerk. Obviously, we already know he gonna make people twerk. Like the whole buns, like just sliding off the buns, hilarious. Just like I personally couldn't watch him like licking things and sucking things. That sounds crazy to say, but you know what I'm talking about, like the finger. But you know what? That's not for me. That's not for me. I'm not the freak he looking for. That's all, you know what I'm saying? But hey, shout out to J Park. You killing it. You killing it. Put a comment down below what you guys think of J Park's McNasty, bruh. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, and it might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.